That was it?
Yep, we're good.
You must be talking about that linchpin life. Yo, hey, thank you so much for checking us out. I'm excited, but before I get started, I need you to do something for me. I need you to share. I need you to like. I need you to subscribe. And look, make some comments, okay? Negative or positive, I don't care. Guess what? I'll read them for you sometimes. You never know. I might surprise you. All right, today we got a really special one here today. Now, we talk about stocks, we talk about companies, we talk about conversation with the CEO. So I was sitting there talking with the team, right? We were just having this conversation, and the team asked me this question. It's like, if you could create your superhero CEO, who would it be? I mean, I literally had to stop. I was like, oh man, that's a great question. Hey, yo, something's going on over at our website. You want to go check it out. I promise you. Head to the linchpinbunchinc.com. We're doing something extra special. What we're excited to offer you is called the Everybody versus Wall Street package. Yes, it's going to have a new version of our audio book. It's also going to have a couple of videos. It's going to have information that we haven't shared, stuff that's important to investing that you're going to really, really appreciate. Here's what's cool about it. You get to pick your own price. You get to tell us what you want to pay for it, okay? Whatever you give us, we're going to give you access to it, all right? That's what we want to do. We want to sow into your life. We want to change your life. We want to make a difference here, okay? So we're excited. You're ready to start trading. You're ready to start investing. You're ready to start growing. So go ahead and take advantage of that right now. Pick your own price. So I went home and I was sitting up all night. I was rolling in the bed. I was waking up the babies. My sweetheart, she told me, shut up. I said, I'm working on my superhero. You got to let me finish, okay? All right. Now, we're going to talk about CEOs. CEOs are important. They decide what a company's going to be like, how well it's going to do, and all of that kind of stuff. And I got a few people I'm thinking about. So I'm getting ready to put my CEO together, okay? So here are the CEOs. And I had to write this down because I don't want to walk away from this. So these are the people that I personally have to be in my mix, my mix. I'm going to mix them in a bowl, in a cooking bowl. Like when I was young, my grandmother used to cook upside down cake, pineapple upside down cake. I loved it. It's delicious. And I used to be sitting in the kitchen and I couldn't wait for that, that bowl. When she got finished with that bowl spinning, I said, hand me that thing off that, whatever that thing is, that little spinny egg beater thing. I'd had that egg beater. Well, listen, y'all gonna be wanting my egg beater after I tell you this, okay? This CEO mix, ooh, wait. All right, anyway. First going into my bowl will be, I would say, about a cup of Jack Dorsey, okay? Cup of that Jack Dorsey, he's CEO of Twitter. He's also the CEO of Square. Now, what I like about him, he kind of got this vibe about himself, like I don't care about nobody, like nothing bothers me. Have you ever seen him at at the White House, in one of those things where they kind of asking him questions about stuff? It's like he looked like he's from outer space, you know what I mean? But he be so chill with it, yeah, okay, all right. Jack Dorsey, smart dude. He do stuff. He worked. He even did some stuff with Jay-Z, yo. He done bought one of Jay-Z's companies. All right, this dude, he in the game. Twitter in the game. Y'all don't know. Twitter, listen, ain't nothing happening in the world without Twitter. You gotta have him. I need him because anything that's trending, Twitter know it first. So I need that. I need that in my bowl. Okay. All right, y'all with me? Okay, Square Trade, Cash App. Do I need to name anything else that Jack doing? Huh? You can't go nowhere without Jack. Guess what Jack just did? Jack just bought a company called Pay Later, I believe. I might have got that wrong, but it's basically Pay Later, buy now, pay later, and it's out of, I believe, Australia. My next, I'd like some sprinkles of Andrew Reese. Okay, some sprinkles of Andrew Reese. Who is he? That's the CEO of Crocs. Okay, y'all can say what y'all want. Listen. It's hard to go up against Nike and Adidas and come in this world and everybody want Crocs. Now, you might want to blame it on the pandemic, but I don't believe that. I believe they've been working on this for about 10 to 15 years. I think this has been something they've been working on. They so smooth with it. Like, you know what I mean? One day you don't see no Crocs, the next day you got a closet full of Crocs falling out the doggone thing. You can't even get in there to get your coat. Hello? They wearing Crocs everywhere. All the colors, you know, all the styles, all the partnerships. Man, come on, man. You gotta have somebody know how to do that, okay? Sleepy face Post Malone, yo. He got Crocs. Y'all ever seen the Post Malone Crocs? They sold out in one day online. When they put his special Crocs out, you couldn't even get a pair after that. That's dope, ain't it? You got to give it up for Andrew Reese, okay? So Andrew Reese, he got to go in my mixing bowl, okay? Who else do you want in there? Let me see. Kanye West, y'all. And I want the Kanye West with the thing over his head. I don't care what y'all say. That dude deep, man. I need that. I need that in my CEO. Check this out. You know what Kanye West did the other day? He got his CD coming out called Donda. It's named after his mom. This dude did a listening party in Mercedes-Benz Stadium. And it sold out. Okay. A listening party in a stadium, like a stadium where Super Bowls are played. Dude, how do you pull that off? Look, he ain't even finished with his CD yet. You know what he doing in the CD? He's sleeping at the stadium. This dude renting the stadium. That's the kind of CEO I want. He ain't gonna quit till the job done. He going, look, he got a little bed in the corner, got his little Adidas and Yeezy shoes over there sitting on the side and the TV on the wall. He's still trying to finish. Oh my God, that's the CEO that I want on my crew. So y'all can say what y'all want. Kanye is my man. All right, I ain't gotta tell you nothing else about him, you know what I mean? I ain't gotta tell you nothing else. I'ma leave Kanye alone. Kanye is Kanye. But I do know this, when he do something, it could be the ugliest shoe in the world. Y'all still gonna buy it. Hello! All right, next on my list, Kathy Wood. Kathy Wood, y'all know who Kathy Wood is. Do I need to say anything about Kathy? Kathy Woods be knowing what's gonna happen before you know what's gonna happen. She know what's gonna happen before the kids know what's gonna happen. Listen, she know what's gonna happen before the 1-year-old speaks. She might be able to tell you what the 1-year-old gonna say. That's Kathy Woods. She was in Tesla before Tesla was what it was. She done got on Roblox. She buy everything and she been getting it right. I want to take a class from her. She gotta be one of my CEOs. I just think in terms of the future, she knows it. Like, I don't know what she doing. I don't know if she got a crystal ball in her life or what. Y'all like my guy so far? I'm telling you, this gonna be a hot CEO here. Now, I got one more. Now, she's an up and coming star. Y'all might not know about her. And I'm gonna say this, she black. I gotta give it to CEO of Oblivity. Her name is Morgan Debonne. Morgan Debonne. This woman here, let me tell you something. She ain't been doing this thing that long, but she connecting to what I would call urban millennials. She know how to do it. You trying to reach the urban world, she know how to do it. She loves small businesses. She's good at helping small business. She do a lot of funding. She's finding great projects. This woman, I'm telling you, she gonna surprise y'all. So I gotta have her in my bowl because I just like her way of looking at the world and staying connected to things that are unique, right? Right? None of us are monolithic, right? We're all different, right? And she fully understands that. So check that woman out right there. And my lad, this is like that secret ingredient. You know how when you cooking something and you want to make sure everybody know, but you make everybody leave the room before you put it in there? This is that time, okay? Lock the doors. Lock the doors. I don't want nobody to hear this yet, okay? Black the screen, okay? Hold on, I gotta make sure that can't be nobody in here. Come on, I see you over there. Get out. You cannot know my secret ingredients. Here we go. Y'all ready to hear this? This is a special, I want to say, slap your mama seasoning for the version that makes a really nice cake. Okay? The PayPal Mafia. Now, I don't know. Some of y'all don't know about PayPal Mafia. So the people that founded and created PayPal and they all work there, all them cats turned into something. Let me just name some companies that came out of these guys. Tesla, LinkedIn, Affirm, Need I say more? I will. Yelp. What else you want me to say? That's the PayPal Mafia right there. I mean, can you imagine all those cats worked at the same place one day? These guys, yeah, come on, that's secret right there. That's secret right there. Y'all don't even be understanding the PayPal Mafia. Look, Elon Musk, come on now. Come on, like, what these guys gonna do in the next 30, 40 years? I don't have a clue, but I know one thing. They ahead of all of us. You know what I mean? If anybody can build another city in space, it's them cats. They could do it. Do you agree with me? You disagree with me? I don't know. Hey, make them comments. Let me know, okay? Make those comments. Tell me your thoughts, and then, hey, tell me which ones would make great CEO superheroes for you. I got goals, y'all. I'm really trying to accomplish something. My team has goals. We really trying to accomplish something. Y'all, we going somewhere. And just because you watching this, you going with us. And I appreciate you for taking this ride. So have a great day. Remember, in all the things you do, keep learning. Because when you stop learning, you stop growing. And when you stop growing, you die.